So the phone crapped out because of the heat, because, I don't know, the sun. Where is it? There it is. Anyway, so we ran through about
maybe like
a fifth of the sand. It works. You can see where it's cleaned off stuff. There and there, right down there, right there, and right there. And it, cleaned off that piece right there. I did the side of that one. But the problem with this is the nozzle's too sharp of a point, and there's not enough sand coming through for the pressure that we have. So, although it does work, save your money.
Pretty much. And
so let me show you what it is. It's just it's a pickup with a tube, and then this is the nozzle that cooks into your sandblaster or your pressure washer. Maybe if I had a bigger pressure washer it would work, but this thing doesn't produce what you'd think it would, and you can't overfill the sand, otherwise it just clogs up. It's got to have a free flowing, only doing off the vacuum. So it's and then I tried the sandblaster too, and it, like, the sand really did take off that gunk that's like right there on the edge corner, and a bolt there, but the pressure washer itself wouldn't. So it's kind of a pain in the ass. We wasted a little bit of time, but I wanted to test it, because we're gonna be, the rest of this week, we're gonna try and get one thing done on the motor a day, and then get ready to put it in. And we might be putting it in with it just looking like this, all nasty. Unless we take some, I don't know, scrapers and screwdrivers and get some of it off and then pressure wash it. We might do that just to the frame area. What a pain in the butt. But, nothing ever works like it says it does. And, even videos, I watched a couple of videos and I picked this one because it looked like it was actually working. But, until you waste $60, you don't know. So that's what we did. Wasted $60. Might as well use it for shit paper.
Pretty much.
Anyway, that's about it. Lighter.